Hello students, a very good morning to all the students. So students, after completing the deficiency disease, today we are going to start a new topic, that is excessive intake of food. So in this topic we are going to understand about the disease that occurs due to excessive intake of food. Okay, so let's start. As deficiency of nutrient in our diet leads to disease, similarly, excessive intake of food also leads to diseases. So students, it's very clear that due to the deficiency of certain nutrients, we suffer from different diseases. So similarly, what happens if we take excessive food, then that may also lead to certain diseases. Okay, so overeating of fat rich food leads to an overweight condition called obesity. So student, whenever we eat lots of fat rich food in our diet, then that will lead to an overweight condition, that is obesity. So in this kind of diseases, we used to gain lots of weight. Okay students, so many people, especially children, eat a lot of junk food such as the burger, chips, soft drinks. So we all like to enjoy the junk food like the burger, chips and soft drinks. So especially the children. So all these kind of food items contain a large amount of fats and sugar. So students, junk food will contain a large amount of fats and sugar. So if we do not do proper physical activities, then this kind of junk food may get accumulated in the body and cause obesity. So students, the meaning of accumulated is gathering. Okay, so if we do not perform any kind of physical activity after consuming lots of junk food, then fats may get gathered or accumulated in the body, and this kind of accumulation may cause the obesity. Okay, so obese people may suffer from disease like hypertension and diabetes. So person suffering from the obesity may suffer from different diseases like the hypertension or the diabetes. Okay, so we can control obesity and be fit and healthy by regular physical exercise. So the only way to get control obesity is to be doing physical exercise, that too in a regular basis. So that will help us to keep fit and healthy, and avoiding fats and carbohydrate rich diet. So we should do a regular physical exercise, as well as we should avoid fats and carbohydrate rich food. Okay students, so these are the very important point you should keep in mind. So with this we complete our today's topic, and with this we also complete complete the chapter. So any doubt you can ask me. Thank you so much and have a good day.